on its journey of international expansion. Weldcom, a general contractor in metal processing, and its Bruco brand proudly participated in the Steel Construction Expo 2024 in Mumbai, India, from October 23 to 25, showcasing advanced steel structure solutions on a global platform. Throughout the 3 days of the exhibition, Weldcom's booth attracted thousands of visitors, engaging in exploration and connection. Weldcom's steel structure production solutions and equipment, branded "Made in Vietnam," made a profound impression on international businesses. With a foundation of self-developed technology and robust production capabilities, built upon comprehensive and strategic investments, Weldcom is committed to meeting the diverse and rigorous demands of the international steel structure market. At the exhibition, Weldcom proudly hosted the Southern Vietnam Steel Structure Association at its booth. There, the Southern Vietnam and Indian Steel Structure Associations engaged in valuable trade discussions. Weldcom's representative, Mr. Hein Quoc Zoon, gave a detailed presentation on Weldcom's technological solutions and capabilities in the steel structure industry to the associations and numerous international business delegates. Weldcom's presence at Steel Construction Expo 2024 was not only a chance to showcase Vietnamese brands and products, but also a significant step in realizing the ambition of elevating Vietnam's industrial standing on the global stage.